Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mars in the 9th house. Mars in the 9th house. Independent. Enthusiasm. Self-learning. Curious. Suspicious. Religion. Worry. Travel. You can do related research. You can work related to abnormal research. You may experience hips problems. You may have leg or knee problems. You may have a sciatica nerve problem. You may have bone problems. You may get infections, virus. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.